Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to log into your Wheel of Fortune Spin ID account. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, following these steps will ensure you can easily access your Spin ID and enjoy all the exciting rewards and features. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the official Wheel of Fortune website. First, open your browser and go to the official Wheel of Fortune website. You can simply search for Wheel of Fortune Spin ID in your search engine or type the URL directly into your address bar. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign In button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Now, enter your account details. If you have an existing account, input your username and password. Make sure you enter the correct information to avoid any login issues. If you're unsure about your credentials, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 4. Retrieve your Spin ID. After logging in, navigate to the section where your Spin ID is displayed. This is typically found in your account settings or profile area. Your Spin ID will be a unique code that you can use to enter sweepstakes or claim rewards. Make sure to write it down or keep it in a safe place for future reference. Step 5. Troubleshoot common login issues. If you face any difficulties during the login process, try the following. Double-check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Confirm you're entering the correct username and password. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try using a different browser. Step 6. Stay logged in for easier access. If you want to avoid having to log in every time you visit the site, you can enable the Stay Signed In option if available. This will keep your session active even after you close the browser. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to enjoy all the benefits and fun of the Wheel of Fortune Spin ID. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.